tiny hamsters. So participating in the $1 trillion market we know as crypto is like finding the best wheel to run on. In this case, that means a crypto exchange. But that's just half the battle. There are actually almost 600 cryptocurrency exchanges around the world, according to recent estimates, which include both centralized and decentralized options. But among the 600, a few have risen to the top, and a few have fallen over the course of time. No. So, which names should you keep an ear out for? Here are 6 of the most famous crypto exchanges on the planet, known for less than stellar reasons. FTX. FTX was co-founded by 2 MIT graduates back in May 2019. The exchange quickly rose to fame with a $25 billion valuation through investments from Temasek. From there, it rose to be one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. In fact, in January 2022, the company was said to be worth $32 billion, dominating the market. The success is often attributed to its high-profile acquisitions of competitors like LedgerX and Blockfolio, and its major marketing campaigns, which included Super Bowl ads, naming rights to the Miami Heat's arena, and other celebrity endorsements. However, as quickly as it rose, it also fell. The exchange went on to make headlines over an accounting oversight that was actually just fraud that resulted in customers and investors losing billions of dollars. It was later discovered that customer money was going to accounts controlled by Alameda Research, a trading firm in Hong Kong, not FTX the exchange. Of course, this was only the beginning of a larger unravel. CZ, the CEO of Binance, more to come on this exchange that also happened to be a crypto rival, announced that it would be selling its own FTT tokens based on alarming trends. Naturally, this tanked the price of the token. This means that by November 2022, FTX had officially collapsed alongside 101 debtors, all of whom were included in the Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing. And then, of course, SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, the co-founder and former CEO, who sadly was later convicted for stealing customer deposits and defrauding investors. His initial charges, 2 counts of wire fraud and 1 count of conspiracy to commit money laundering. Although there have since been rumors that FTX might make a reappearance, more recent updates suggest that FTX will in fact be no more. On a more positive front, one look at the Holy Grail coin market cap, and you will find the industry is now led by another player, Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in play today, with higher trading volumes than any other cryptocurrency exchange. Estimates suggest a spot trading volume of $10.7 billion and total assets of $107 billion, with the number 2 exchange only conducting 1/10 of trading volume, $1 billion. So yes, you could safely say Binance is dominating the space right now.
I'm cool.
But becoming a major player doesn't happen overnight. Instead, the exchange's journey has come from several innovative decisions and its native utility token, BNB. Founded in early 2017, the exchange held an ICO in July of the same year, raising $15 million in funding. At this point, 143 days after launching, Binance had already become one of the top 3 exchanges on the planet, making major news in the first 6 months of its existence. Yes, this means growth from 2 million to 10 million users in the first half of 2018. Binance has since grown to offer more than 500 cryptocurrencies, with many opportunities for passive income and other advanced trading tools. Binance has since become the go-to for a wide range of investors and traders. However, like the other crypto leaders, CZ has also spent time in jail, although headlines suggest he will be released on September 29th. Since we have the Holy Grail still open, it's worth taking a look at the coveted number 2 spot, which is currently held by Coinbase. Coinbase is the second largest crypto exchange in the world, with support in over 200 countries. The exchange, founded by Airbnb engineer Brian Armstrong and a Goldman Sachs trader Fred Ehrsam, is based in America and helps facilitate the buying, selling, exchange, and storing of cryptocurrencies. Many like this exchange for it being intuitive and beginner-friendly with support for basic transactions, digital wallet, and PayPal withdrawals. Of course, as the SEC started tightening the ropes, Coinbase became one of the platforms at the stake with charges for the unregistered offer and sale of securities in connection with its staking-as-a-service program. However, the platform is still alive and available for use today, so not to be overlooked. Although not one of the biggest, another known exchange in the industry, somewhat due to its famous founders, is Gemini, the exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. Yes, the two brothers who spent years in litigation accusing Mark Zuckerberg for stealing their idea for Facebook. This, in the end, got them a $65 million settlement, which helped them grow their empire to what it is today. In addition to a family firm, Winklevoss Capital, which invests in multiple asset classes, including seed funding and infrastructure, has also come to include the Gemini exchange. Although not one of the biggest players, it currently sits at around number 20 for trading volume. The crypto exchange is supposed to be best known for its security, with a new Forbes report saying it had never been hacked. For some time, the exchange also offered a lending program with its partner Genesis, which has since been paused, with New York Attorney General Letitia James recently announcing that defrauded investors would be getting their money back. Back in the early 2010s, none was mightier than Mt. Gox. This Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange was first created for enthusiasts of a card game called Magic the Gathering, which was a place to trade cards online.
That with Uprooted Minotaur.
The exchange then remained in operation between 2010 and 2014, at one time managing more than 70% of Bitcoin transactions at its peak. Some estimates even suggest this number was close to 80%. Of course, its size meant security problems, and the exchange ended up being the subject of a major hack and declaring bankruptcy at the end of its life. It still has found itself in the middle of many lawsuits and other speculations for years to follow. In fact, it wasn't until 2021 that the district court in Tokyo reached an agreement on the rehabilitation plan, what ended a 7.5-year legal battle. If you have been to LA, you have probably heard of this exchange. Rounding out today's list, we have Crypto.com. Not only is this exchange known, user-friendly app and variety of crypto products, including a Visa card linked to your crypto balance. Other notable offers include a standalone crypto wallet and an NFT marketplace, in addition to a decentralized exchange. Although the exchange is based in Hong Kong and has been since it was founded in 2016, many know the exchange for holding the name on the sports and entertainment center of the LA Kings, Lakers, and Clippers. As a big-name player, some of its stats include offering more than 350 cryptocurrencies to over 70 million customers around the world.
Is so cool.
So, finding the right wheel to run on might be a bigger decision than you expected. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, remember that every exchange has its own rhythm, and it's important to understand your goals as an investor before making any decision. Now, keep those paws moving and stay sharp. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and remember, Hamsters have power. One for all and all for one. Bye!